The future of underwater cleaning has arrived. In 2027, international regulations will require all cleaning operations to include waste capture and filtration, a transformation that redefines the diving profession. Hull Hero is the answer. An innovative, compact, and autonomous system manufactured in the European Union designed to work with full respect for the ocean, with guaranteed technical service and immediate spare parts availability. Already operating in European and American ports, certified and ready for your business. From the Canary Islands to Panama or Italy, Hull Hero is proving that a new way of cleaning is possible. Efficient, profitable, and sustainable, meeting the highest environmental standards. Alongside it, Hull Hero Micro. Two tools built to go even further. A handheld brush and a propeller and hull polisher, both with waste capture and filtration. The perfect complement for a complete and eco-friendly service. Compact, adaptable, fast to deploy. Designed so that professional diving companies can continue to offer competitive services under the new regulatory framework. Hull Hero and Hull Hero Micro transform underwater maintenance into an activity for the future. Safe, innovative, and sustainable. With Hull Hero, the ocean wins. And so does your business. Dive into the future of underwater cleaning.